taking up the Buteyko, it has empowered me. Well, Martha, good afternoon from sunny Donegal. This is the long-awaited testimonial from myself. I'm out for a walk. I connected with your good selves, Martha, and did a workshop with yourself, as you often said, or as plenty of other people have said, quickly realized results from the exercises. Anyway, sorry, a little bit of background myself. 4 years ago, I was diagnosed with severe emphysema. I was on 3 different medications daily. My conditioning seemed to worsening yearly. That's the way it is with emphysema. Anyway, so here we are, 2023. 4 years on from doing all the practices, the breathing exercises. I don't take any medication at all. And 4 years ago, I really hadn't got much of a lifestyle. But since I've done Buteyko, my life has improved in so many ways. My attitude, my focus, my breathing, so much so. My specialist in the local hospital here 2 years ago washed her hands off me. Said that as I don't take any medication or anything, she doesn't want to see me anymore, which is great news. So, I mean, what can I say? Once again, Buteyko, thank you. Martha, something that I never actually mentioned. I think it's extremely important. In retrospect, when on the medication, I felt that I was a victim of the disease, and basically I was disempowered. Maybe that's a pseudo-political way of putting it, but taking medication disempowers you, and taking up the Buteyko, it has empowered me with my own control of the disease. What I know now about Buteyko and how much it's benefited me, I do have a regret that I never started it sooner. Yeah, that's it. C'est la vie. Good luck with anyone who decides to take that path, and let me give it a 5-star, ultra, super best, whatever review that can be imagined, and go for it. But it's hard work, it really is. You get out really what you put in. Okay, take care, bye. I do have a regret that I never started it sooner.